Hi friends, today I am making orange chicken served with fluffy steamed rice and fresh vegetables. Crispy chicken toasted in glossy sauce made with real fresh orange, not bottled juice. I am using orange sets for aroma, fresh orange juice for that natural sweetness, and balancing with ginger, garlic, and light seasoning to create a perfect sweet and tangy sauce. This is a simple homemade meal that's better than takeaway and perfect for the whole family. Let's get started. Let's see what we need to make this dish. I have squeezed one big fresh orange for the sauce. I usually eyeball all my measurements, so don't worry about exact amount. I have 1 kilo of chicken thigh fillet cut into bite pieces. I have seasoned the chicken with salt, pepper, and lime juice. Then I am adding 2 teaspoons of corn flour. This helps seal the flavors. Set this aside. Now let's make the batter for the chicken. I am using 3/4 cups of plain flour and we need to season it properly. Add salt, turmeric, ginger powder, pepper powder. Now I am adding garlic powder and onion powder. Now let's move on to the orange sauce. I am using the juice of one fresh orange. This gives the sauce real natural citrus flavor. To that, I add oyster sauce, hoisin sauce, and soy sauce for depth and a slight sweetness. For a bit heat and color, I am adding chili flakes and paprika powder. Adjust this to your spice level and sesame seeds. Next goes finely chopped garlic, ginger, onion, lemon zest, and some spring onion for the garnish. And we need bit of corn flour to make a slurry. Now I am making the batter. To the seasoned flour, add water little by little and mix until you get a thick batter, not a runny one. This batter is what gives the chicken that crispy golden coating when fried. Now pour the batter over the chicken and mix well, making sure every piece is evenly coated. Cover the chicken and let it rest for about 20 minutes. This helps the chicken stick better and keeps the chicken juicy. Now it's time to fry. Carefully add the chicken one piece at a time into hot oil. Don't overcrowd the pan. Fry in batches if needed. Flip them occasionally and fry until the chicken turns golden brown and crispy. Now for the orange sauce. In the same pan, I have added 1 teaspoon of oil, then ginger garlic, onions goes in, then lemon zest. Now it's paprika powder and chili flakes. Here I am adding soy sauce, 2-3 teaspoon, and hoisin sauce about a teaspoon, and 2 teaspoon of oyster sauce. Mix them well and add your orange juice into the pan now. I have added 2 tablespoons of sugar and 1 tablespoon of vinegar to the sauce. My camera didn't catch it, but this step is important. The sugar balances the citrus and the vinegar gives that classic sweet and tangy flavor. Next, I have added corn flour slurry. Now you can see the magic, how glossy the sauce is. Next, I am adding my sesame seed. Next, add the crispy chicken and toast until every piece is coated. Now finish with spring onion on top. And here it is. Crispy orange chicken coated in sticky glossy sauce full of real orange flavor. Sweet, tangy and perfectly balanced. This dish is best served hot with steamed rice and fresh vegetables. Every bite is crispy on outside, juicy on the inside and packed with flavor. Thanks for watching. I will see you again.